All right, my friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Battlbox 89, and obviously, like I said many times, this is sent here to the channel by Battlbox for me to do a video, show it to you guys. So we're gonna open it together. That's kind of what we do right here, and we can take a look at this and kind of go item by item, right? And again, mission 89. Let's go and put my old man glasses on so I can read. And again, here it is. By the way, Battlbox has a channel, and they do a really fantastic job showing this, and really good job. So again, Battlbox mission 89. We're gonna open it up. Obviously, there is different sections or different things that you could buy, different subscriptions. There we go. And the first one is gonna be the basic. Then we're gonna jump into advanced, pro, and pro plus, which is the knife of the month. So all right, so let's go ahead and do the basic. It's going to be the first one. It's going to be the first item. It's going to be $24.95, which is going to be this right here. And I'm actually excited about this. I want to go outside in the backyard and play around with the kids with this. So obviously it's kind of like a slingshot. It's called a pocket shot, and obviously you hold it here, pull it, and you shoot some BBs or little rocks or whatever you have. And you have that right there. You could kind of see it right there, right? So that's going to be the first item. Let's take a look at it again. Pocket shot with scoop or ammo, $24.99, right? And actually $24.95. So let's move this out of the way, and let's go into the next item. And the next item is going to be a Rescue Essential Bottle Bandage. And where's that at? Maybe it's this. All right, maybe it's this right here. Yeah, there we go. So obviously, good to put this in a bug out pack, patrol pack, you know, safety kit, whatever you guys have, whatever you call it. This is something to have that is actually pretty decent. And I'm gonna show you a picture right here that is in the book right there. Right, so that's gonna be about 18 bucks, and that's kind of what you got right there. The next item that you're gonna have is gonna be ear protection, and it's gonna be, I believe it's this. Let me see the name. It's going to be, yeah, Decibel custom molded ear protection. It's going to be about 25 bucks. And this is kind of what you got right here. When I saw the video on this, essentially, I'm assuming, or I think that you could wet this up and then put it in your ear, and you kind of set up like a whole custom specifically for you. You could kind of see it right here, right? So it says heat and then shade, premium high performing hearing protection. So easily and quickly molded in hot water. So obviously you put it in hot water, and then that probably going to make it soft, and then you shape it to your ears, right? If you're serious about your hearing protection, we should all be. This is definitely something to look into it, right? So that's going to be the basic box. Again, basic box. And now we're going to jump into the Vans, and I'm actually excited about this. I'm actually very excited about this, because I still use the dead fish knife. The ones that came a while ago, I still use them. I have them here in my kitchen. They need to be sharpened every now and then, but they do work. So this is going to be like a pocket one, and you can kind of see it right there. So I'm actually pretty excited about this. Great for going camping and things like that. About 60 bucks. That's not bad at all. And I think it's this right here. Let's open this up. Let's take a look in the inside. And here you have it. Again, for camping or something, I wish I would have a little baggie that you could put them inside there. So when you put it in a camping bag or something like that, easily you can, transport it or something like that. I feel like now if I had to transport, I got to just put it in my bag. So again, this is kind of what you have. And when you open it up, look at this. It kind of feels like you could prepare some food. You could do, feels pretty good. And again, it feels like you could prepare some food, cook some food while you're camping, all that good stuff. Look at the handle right there. Obviously, it's kind of like a liner lock design. You can see it right there. And again, it feels pretty decent. It feels pretty decent to cut and things like that. Look at the blade. Really decent blade. If I had to say something, this liner, because I already looked at this knife, this liner section right here that you move out of the way, it's a little bit too much out. So when you hold it, like if I'm holding it right here, it kind of, if you see right here, I'm kind of getting poked with this. So I wish it would be a little bit more, just a little tiny more in the inside. But other than that, I mean, this is going to be great. This is going to be pretty decent to take camping and something like that, and cooking. I think this is a pretty cool deal. I like this. I actually like this very much. So let's go ahead and close it. We're going to put it right here so we go camping. Pretty soon we're going to start going camping because obviously the weather is getting better here in Florida, right? The next thing we're going to have is going to be a flashlight, Nikon H35, 1,000 lumen headlight, about 70 bucks. That's going to be in the Pro Box. And this right here, you guys being around my channel, you probably know my philosophy on headlamp. Man, that camera. There we go. I love headlamps. I think there's one of the best things ever. And let me switch to this camera right here. And again, I think they're really fantastic. Camping, you know, going out for walks. I mean, whatever, you know, mechanics. You could use this all the time. The paper says about 1,000 lumens, I believe. But this thing right here says 1,600 lumens. You can see it right here. So again, I don't know who to believe. Probably 1,600 lumens is in the thing. So again, very, very cool. Pretty excited about it. And yeah, I'm gonna be excited about this headlamp. I love headlamp. I'm a big fanboy of headlamp. And then the last thing is gonna be essentially the knife of the month, which is gonna be the highest one. By the way, here's a couple coupons in here. Let me put in here so you guys can see it. Put this right here. Usually I forget to put this, but again, that's one. Here's the dead fish right there. And here's the coupon right there. Take 25% off store-wide, so that's actually very, very good. But the last thing is going to be this. It's going to be a pretty cool knife. I saw it too as well. The Pro Plus Box M3 Tactical M3 Force Recon. Force Recon. Remember, guys, if it has Tactical and Recon in the name, it has to be great. That's just how it goes, right? So, again, let's kind of put it to the side. It says that it values $189, which is a lot of money. A lot of money, I got to tell you. A lot of money. So, let's open this up. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. And here's what you got right here. Sweet, 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 sweet. Be very careful when you pull this knife because, you know, if you put it like this, you could cut yourself. Kind of pushing this right here. And this is kind of what you have right there. Look at that, guys. Oh, man, that's sweet. That is real sweet. It looks good. It looks really, really good. Look at that jimping right there. Pretty aggressive. And look at that blade. This is more like a fighting blade kind of style. Look at that right there. So, really, really cool blade. Again, really, really cool blade. Not really sure how to carry this. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you need, obviously you could get some 550 core and run it through something. But again, if you want to carry this as a fixed blade, I mean, not really sure. Maybe having some kind of setup in here or something. But again, this is kind of what you have right there. And again, that's just going to be the Battlbox. Like I said, big shout out to Battlbox for sending these boxes here to the channel for me to show it to you guys. We definitely appreciate that. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.